quick test. Okay. This is one of the most simple recipes you will ever see for breakfast. My daughter does this for her boys real often because, it's like, how do you get kids to eat eggs and things that are good for them sometimes? It's really challenging. So you give it a fun name and you call it Eggs in a Nest. And, it is so simple. I'm now taking this off me because these are the star of the show. And believe it or not, I am going to do cooking without the Power Chef. I know, seems impossible, but that's what this recipe is all about. So I've heated my piece of bread in my micro pro grill. So it's heated up a little bit. And all I'm going to do is take a glass, and I took a pretty large one because we always eat large eggs. Now, if you don't eat large eggs, if you usually eat medium or small eggs, you may want to use a smaller cut here. All right, Linda, let's get it cut. I'll have to go from the back too. Get it in there. There we go. So you take the little piece right out of the middle. You put it down in your micro pro grill like this. And there's probably a bunch of you saying, yes, 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 I do this for my grandkids all the time because this is what helps them eat. So I'm going to actually, unlike Christy, I don't trust myself, and neither does Carrie. So I always make sure I crack my eggs in a bowl first so that I don't get any of the shell in there. And now I can just transfer it right over here. And then what you also can use, for me, I'll put a little bit of salt in here, a little bit of salt on your egg, just a teeny bit, enough, whatever you like and your family likes. And then I loved cracked pepper, so cracked pepper is what's going to go in here. Isn't that nifty? My daughter gave us that for Christmas, so it cracks the pepper. But here's something else I also like. This is a little bit, yes, it's true, steak and chop. I told you I like it on everything. And steak and chop has a lot of savory things, pepper in it, and that. So it'll make it really yummy. And my husband, I told you last week, he loves this stuff, this Creole thing. But we're just doing it this way. Now, also, here's one last little thing. Here's a little help. I'm going to put in on top of this, I'm going to put in about a tablespoon of water. And I'm just going to put it right on the top here because I don't want it soaking into my bread. And now I'm putting it in the casserole position. I'll put it in my microwave for 3 minutes. Now, the reason that you use the water on the top is because you want the egg to cook a little more evenly. That water is going to boil or come to temperature a lot faster than the top of the egg. So that will help your egg to cook on the top. So if you like, now I'm only doing 3 minutes because Carrie likes his eggs with the yolk runny. If you don't like the yolk runny, well, then of course you want to increase your cook time. So, and again, just like Christy was saying, what how your microwave works. Perhaps in your microwave, it's going to take a little extra time. Maybe it will take a little less. So it's one of those things that you have to work with. But this is, they're called eggs in a basket. What's what my daughter calls them, and she cooks them for my grandsons. Now you have this little piece left over here. So the thing to do with this, you spread a little peanut butter and jelly if you'd like, or maybe some little savory things, whatever you like, put a piece of cheese on it and that sort of thing. When your eggs come out, then you can put this back in, 2 of them together or whatever. You can put them back in your micro pro grill, use it on the grilling position, and then give it a minute or so, and all your cheese will melt. If you're doing peanut butter or whatever, that melts it right into this, and it makes them like those little what are they called, uncrustables that we use all the time. Yeah, so definitely, just like Christy was talking about, save yourself some money. Use what you have here, and you will be so surprised at the result because they do come out because our MicroPro grill does grill the actually, toast the food. It's going to come out a nice and crisp. You'll really enjoy that. And I have to say, I definitely agree with Denise. When you're at a party, you definitely want to feature the things that are on sale, but especially those high-end things. And I do something that Denise was talking about too. When the fridge smarts were on sale, I purchased about four of them myself. So when I go to a party and I'm demoing the fridge smarts, of course, the sale is off now, but I get to tell everybody, you know what? If you buy yours today, you can take them home today, but you don't pay $121 like they are in the catalog. You can have them for $99. Now, I paid $99 for two sets. So automatically I am doubling my money, but I took them with me so that my customers now have an opportunity to take them home with them. So I know Judy used to do that all the time with her modular mates. She would take the sets home so that everybody had an opportunity to take the set that they purchased home with them. I think she always took the mediums. That was the main thing. But you can do that too. Whatever works for you or your favorite product. But I love it for the fridge smarts, and I do try to carry a MicroPro grill with me too because people cannot believe that it actually does grill your food in the microwave. They think that's incredible. So let me turn this down here so we can see. I'm going to take this off. Oops. There we go. And there is your little, it's right there. It's completely done. And the yolk is, can you see? The yolk is a little bit runny. So I don't know I guess I had a little bit, maybe my egg was a little old, but you can see that it worked perfectly. So now you have, oh, here, and I get to use our little spatula to take it out. So it works beautifully. So there you have it. It's an egg in a basket in 3 minutes.